If your PayPal account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following a straightforward process. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate the appeal. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Carefully read the email or notification from PayPal regarding the restriction. It will provide details about why your account was restricted and any specific actions you need to take. Step 2. Gather required information. Collect all relevant information and documents that PayPal may require for your appeal. This could include identification, transaction records, or any other supporting documentation that addresses the reason for the restriction. Step 3. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by logging in with your credentials. Navigate to the Resolution Center, where you can find information about your account status and the option to appeal. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Follow the prompts in the Resolution Center to submit your appeal. Provide a clear and concise explanation of your situation, attach any required documents, and ensure that all information is accurate. Step 5. Monitor your email and account. After submitting your appeal, keep an eye on your email and PayPal account for updates. PayPal may reach out for additional information or to inform you of their decision regarding your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal account restriction on PayPal. Remember to be patient, as the review process may take some time.